We've intercepted encrypted communications. Joshua Joyce is headed to his factory in Guangzhou, China.
Hey, big shot. Well, your company's in serious trouble.
You better have a damn good lawyer.
Really? Well, you better have a great one, because you're about to be responsible for the annihilation of a city. Now, you listen to me. Your tech has been hacked, your prototypes are infected, and now Galvatron is after that seed. Look, I know you have a conscience because you're an inventor like me. Do not let Galvatron anywhere near that seed.
I control Galvatron. I created him.
Oh, deep down, I know you know. Your prototype's been controlling you. How fast can that thing get us halfway around the world?
Very. It's a spaceship.
If we're traveling, now's the time.
All I want is to have our lives back. It's your call, whatever you want. We safer on our own, or we safer with them?
She's a keeper. Must take after her mom.
I can't argue with that, kid.
Move. We're retrieving the seed, but then we're done defending the humans.
What? Done? What do you mean you're done?
Means finished. See ya. Goodbye.